Here's the unboxing of the new Republic Blaze Quad 100-watt data charging cable. The packaging is solid, and inside the box we have the cable itself. The cable is braided and feels sturdy, ensuring durability. On one end we have a USB-C to USB-A converter, and on the other, a USB-C to Lightning converter. The cable is sufficiently long, offering great flexibility for various use cases, and its sturdy build adds to its overall quality. While the box claims it supports all fast charging technologies, it doesn't support OnePlus Warp Charge. So, OnePlus users should look elsewhere. However, it does support Realme's Super VOOC fast charging, even though this is a 100-watt cable, while Realme usually requires 120 watts. This is impressive. It also charges Apple devices quickly, making it a great choice for Apple users too.